Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Do you see what's fizzing on this screen? Guess what I'm gonna show you how to make pineapple ginger soda. Yes. Come on, let's go. Make sure you wash your pineapple with baking soda, some vinegar, clean water, and then once you finish doing that, go ahead, cut the sides, cut the top, and let's get this going. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Pineapple has lots of benefits for your skin, your gut, and it's so good. Don't forget, I need you to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I post a video, you will be notified. Make sure you hit all notifications so you don't miss a video from this channel, okay? This is where we share healthy, delicious food, juice recipes, gut healthy recipes, so good. And guess what, guys? I am using my Canoly C16 Juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you need to go ahead and grab this juicer because it's inexpensive, it gets the job done, and you're not gonna regret it, okay? And it's gonna help you to make all your juices and summer drinks for the summer. You need to get this juicer. So this is what I'm using. After we finish juicing the pineapple, we're gonna pour it over into our bowl, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our next ingredients, okay? The next ingredient is lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon, but I like the combination of lime in pineapple. It just gives it a nice, refreshing flavor. I had some limes that they were almost going bad, and I had some key limes, and I just went ahead and added it in here, okay? Once you're finished juice, and you know limes, they're good for your immune system, they're good for vitamin C. This is how much I got. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here, and then we're gonna ginger it up. I love ginger. So I got some organic ginger that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. And the same thing you're gonna do, wash all your fruits with baking soda, vinegar, and water. So here I'm putting in the ginger. However much spicy you want your ginger pineapple to be, you're gonna add that amount of ginger, okay? If you can't take too much ginger, you can just add a thumb size or 2 thumb size. You can see that I got more than 2 thumb size in here, okay? We like some ginger. Ginger is great for your gut. It's great for your skin. Ginger is just really good. Every household should have you some ginger. And if you're still watching, go ahead and subscribe. Here I'm adding in some organic brown sugar into my pineapple ginger soda. If you don't want to add any sugar, that's absolutely fine. But I'm making it like a juice, but then I'm gonna have it as a soda. You see what I mean? You can make it here, you can have it like a juice, store it in a glass bottle. You don't have a glass bottle, store it in whatever you have. But whenever you put juices in glass, it's just much more better, and it tastes so refreshing. So here we got the juice, and now we're gonna get ready to put our ice in and enjoy this. So get your favorite soda water, or sparkling water, I should say, not soda water. So here I'm pouring in the pineapple juice. Then I'm using Saratoga. You can use Mountain Valley. I just had Saratoga today, so that's what I'm using. Then I'm gonna pour it in here, and let me tell you, this soda is inexpensive, absolutely delicious. So if you still watching, you need to give me a follow, and you need to share this video, because this soda is absolutely delicious. It's the bomb.com. Enjoy it for the summer, spring, whatever time of the year. You can get your soda on and drink and enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.